Have you ever opened DaVinci Resolve and looked around and wondered, how in the world am I supposed to learn all this without spending months watching tutorials? Because that was me, and I remember sitting there thinking there's no way I need all of these buttons and all these settings to make a YouTube video. But I still felt like I had to learn everything before I could actually start editing. And honestly, that mindset slowed me down so much. So I did the opposite, and I took what I call the lazy method. And not lazy in a bad way, but lazy in the sense that I only focus on the things that helped me finish a video. Nothing extra, nothing complicated, and once I did that, I started learning editing skills 10 times faster than when I was jumping around trying to understand the whole program all at once. Let me show you exactly what I mean, because this is actually the workflow I still use on almost every video I make. The first thing I do is I open my base project. I keep this saved so I never start from zero. It already has my settings, my timeline layouts, and everything I need to get started on a project. Do you have a base project set up? Because if not, this one change will save so much time. Next, I drop all my footage in a labeled bin. Nothing fancy, just simple organization, so I'm not hunting through files later in the project. I used to skip this and wonder why editing felt so chaotic, and it turns out a tiny bit of organization removes a lot of stress. After that, my timelines are already in a preset that is loaded with my base project. Same layout every time, same tracks, same timeline settings. When your timeline looks the same every single time you open up Resolve, everything gets easier. Then I sync my A-roll audio and video in their own timeline. I do this when there's a long talking head A-roll clip like the video I'm making right now. This allows me to make any changes to the whole clip before and during the edit of the video. This keeps it nice and clean so I never think about it again. And once it's synced, I color grade my A-roll. Nothing crazy, just a quick pass to add my power grade and get the look clean. If you've ever spent an hour color grading before you even start the editing process, trust me, you do not need to do this. A simple power grade up front is enough. And if you want to download the custom power grade I use in all of my videos, check the description below. In the same timeline, I also add voice isolation to my audio. Dialogue is the thing that people care about most, so cleaning it up early keeps everything sounding good while I edit. In a second timeline I call Final Cut, I do a rough cut with the video or the A-roll timeline with AI. This is one of the biggest breakthroughs I've had in a long time. Why spend 20 minutes chopping up all the pauses and getting rid of the things that I don't want when Resolve can do it for you in a few seconds? It's not perfect, but it gets you 80% of the way there, and that's the whole goal. Do less work where you don't need to be perfect. After the rough cut, I tighten up the edit in one single pass. Not two, not 5 passes, just one. If you've ever spent way too long obsessing over all the little details, this step will change your life. One pass forces you to trust your instincts. Then I adjust my audio presets. Again, nothing fancy, just clarity, warmth, and getting my levels right so the video sounds clean. And finally, after all of that is done, I can start adding simple title presets where I need them to be in the video. I used to spend forever designing titles. Now I just use the same one and move on. Most viewers are not watching your video for unique title animations. They just want clear information. Then I drop my music and sound effects in if I need them. This is where the edit starts to feel alive, but I would still want to keep it simple. A couple tracks or some subtle sound effect moments. Nothing needs to be overdone. And once everything is in place, I export using a preset. That way I don't have to think about codecs or formats or anything else in the settings. I have it all set once and I just click and add it, and then I'm done. So that is the entire lazy method, and it's simple on purpose because we tend to overcomplicate things in Resolve. We think we need to master the entire program to make good videos. And the truth is we can get fast with only a handful of tools and a workflow that we do on repeat every time. If you build a process like this, you will get faster without even trying. You'll start learning naturally because you are actually editing instead of constantly switching between tutorials and features you'll never use. And if you're an absolute beginner or someone trying to edit YouTube videos faster, start with this approach. Strip Resolve down to only what you need. Build a workflow you can use every time and watch how quickly your skills start to grow. That is the lazy method, and honestly, it just works. If you want help building your own simple workflow, I have a community called Resolve School. It's linked in the description below, and it's built specifically for beginners who want to get confident in Resolve without wasting time. I would love to see you in there.